po si Reverend Father John Francis Frederick Kagawan Manlapig. Tago niyo lang po sa pangalang Father Jeff. Ako rin po ay pari ng Diocese ng Parañaque. Hindi, ako po ay tubong originally from Pandacan, Manila, and eventually lumipat kami ng Muntinlupa City. Pumasok po ako ng Our Lady of Guadalupe Minor Seminary nung second year high school ako. More out dahil naging altar server ako, nawili ako sa ganda ng liturgy, lalo pag Maleldo, no, pag Holy Week talagang talagang all the pageantry of Holy Week.
Ito po yung peak
Oo, di ba? Alam mo naman pag Maleldo, medyo ang puso natin nadadala doon kaya ang kagandahan noon ay nagsimula yun sa konting kantsaw ng parish priest, and eventually na umaga ko, nag-apply ako, napapayag ang magulang ko, and then I entered the minor seminary in 1993. Buhay ka na nun.
Grade 3.
So 1993 ako pumasok. Naranasan ko World Youth Day 95, yung mga ganon. And then I entered San Carlos Seminary for my college in 96. I finished my bachelor sa philosophy. Tapos doon ako nag-decide, lalabas ako. I went out for 1 school year, nagturo ako at naging pastoral assistant sa Don Bosco Technical College sa Mandaluyong, dahil akala ko doon, tinatawag ako ni Lord mag-isalisyan. Yun ang feeling ko, tinatawag ako sa religious life. Until sa masinsinang pag-uusap sa rector ko noon, si Monsignor Francis, ngayon Bishop Francis de Leon, after that school year, ng Antipolo, rector namin kasi siya noon sa San Carlos. Eventually, I returned to the seminary where I finished my theology degree, and nung time na yon nabuo na yung Diocese ng Parañaque. So, dun, dahil taga Muntinlupa ako, so I'm part of the diocese. Doon na ako nag-apply eventually for ordination, and I was ordained in 2006. Sa akin medyo mas personal kasi yung pag-venture o pag-consider ng religious life was a personal thing for me. Simula even nung minor, kasi I was really discerning if I'm really called to serve sa parokya or to venture into something bigger than me, missionary work, yung a particular charism. Kaya when I went out of the seminary and I worked and lived with the Salesians, there was at the back of my head, pinapakiramdaman ko saan ako mas babagay, yung ugali ko, temperament ko, pagkatao ko. At the same time, andun pa rin yung naging question. Doon ba ako dinadala ni Lord? It was not just the Salesians, para maging klaro para balanse, no. I also asked around, nag-search in ako. Naranasan ko mag-search in, mag-attend na boxem ng Jesuits. Mag-try ako doon. Niwala ka sa hindi, no? Wala ka sa loob, no?
Pero not worthy.
Di ba? Even sa monasteryo, dahil akala ko, there was a part of me, baka bagay ako maging monge. Sa lagay na to, yung gano'n, no? So, pagtatanong, at hindi yun nanatili dun sa year na nasa labas ako. Even when I went back first years in theology, nandun yung pagtatanong, eto na nga ba talaga? Until the time na talagang nasabak na ako sa buhay ng diocese namin. And I saw na there was not just a need, pero nandun din yung mas maibibigay ko yung sarili ko sa yung buong buhay ko bilang diocese sa pare. Pero at the same time, ito on hindsight na lang, yung exposure ko, getting to know men and women religious, paved the way eventually when I worked my first work in the diocese as vocation director. So kasi nakita ko pa ano yung hinahanap nila . So at the same time, it helped me guide young people. Ano ba dinidiscern mo sa buhay? Magdadiocesan ka ba? Magre-religious ka ba? Nakatulong yon. And now, my present work as vicar for the religious, to work with them in pastoral initiatives sa diocese. Makilala, ano ba charism nila? Ano ba yung what makes them work, what makes them happy, what makes them tick, kumbaga, sa buhay simbahan.